All right, so we're here at Shoshone Falls here in Twin Falls, Idaho, and I figured I would show you the falls. Very impressive, I will say. There's falls everywhere you look. There's water, but we'll start off over here with the one, if we can actually see it, that is down a ways before I show you the magnificent one, which is just breathtaking. So not sure if you're going to be able to see this from this far. Let me see. So there's one right there coming off the cliff over there. And then we got all these falls over here, the really cool ones. So you have some small ones up here up top. You have a couple ones over there. There's a couple dams too I see around the rocks or whatever. And then you got the big ones, and then you got the 200-foot ones, which are right in front of us. So let's go down and take a look at that. Again, this is very breathtaking, very impressive. And this is right outside of Twin Falls, Iowa. Look at that. And there's a rainbow. Check that rainbow out. So during the spring, I'm told that this water's flowing like you would not believe. And it makes total sense, considering everything would be on falling and the ice would be melting and everything. But this is still pretty impressive to me. So I've never seen waterfalls like this before. I've seen many waterfalls, but nothing like this. And this is so cool. So it's 900 feet around, I think they were saying, and about this 200-foot drop. That is insane. Look at the water just coming out of there. And again, everywhere you look, there's water seeping out. And it looks like we have a double rainbow now. This is very impressive. Wow. So cool. I'm just trying to take it all in, and this is a Snake River too that we're here visiting. Wow. And this is just gorgeous. Look at that view. Wow. So beautiful. And that rainbow just makes it even better. All right, guys, if you like this kind of content, please feel free to subscribe, like, share, follow. And with that, I'll catch you on the next adventures here, there, and everywhere. And maybe we'll see more waterfalls like this. Talk to you later.